Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 5:02 p.m., February 12th, 2021, Friday, end of the week, going into a long weekend. Not really excited about that. Another long weekend. I'm kind of pumped for Tuesday already. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. It's been a long month. If you watch my videos the past couple weeks, I've been struggling a little bit, and I'm definitely feeling really good. I'm actually amped up from Tuesday. Not the best day today or anything, but not a bad day. I actually started off with QS in the mix. We had a 51 move here. Platform was running smooth as butter today. I didn't have any issues on Tradestation, and I'll get into a couple things about that in a few minutes. QS, though, definitely a nice trader. Actually, a move down here could have been a pretty good setup too, but you'd have to give it a little bit more wiggle because these moves are dollar moves and they're kind of whippy, very spready. So it's not something. It was just like the punch through 51 level, nice trade, and I started my day with like $200. I only traded with 200 shares. The reason why I only traded 200 shares is because I got beat up on the daily here back in December. And I learned my lesson on QS. It doesn't trade nearly like the volume it did back here, the whippiness here. But I got beat up, so I was trading 300-400 shares on it, making huge moves both directions. So I'm like, okay, I'll go with 200 shares, not knowing if the platform was functioning, but it was functioning just fine. Got some great sells off using my Stream Deck Elgato unit. Yeah, links below if you want to check that out. Takes you right there what I'm using, and I'm going to do a video about that in the future, probably next week, maybe over this weekend actually, because it's a 3-day weekend. But I will have my computer video up this weekend, just so you guys know. But QS trade was pretty nice. Definitely had some momentum today. It was up $10, 22%. I got myself into some trouble. I should start scalping using the Stream Deck unit, and I found myself in FSR through this level here, and it was pretty nice. I mean, it was working, but I got out quick. Could have made a little bit more on each of these trades. I think BSQR was another one getting some volume through this level here, through the 8 level. It's kind of choppy through 8. So I kind of got out on this particular move here, 814. I actually got out with like 7 cents or something like that, but it pulled back to 760. So it was a tough trader with this BSQR, and then it popped up to 9. Some stupid trades I did take were BMBL. At one point I was up 300, so there's that. And I thought I was going to take a break here on the 82 level, and I by accident hit the buy button, not on my Stream Deck unit, but just on my mouse, hitting the buy button. I said stop market order. I meant to say stop limit. No, I meant to say stop market. I actually said stop limit, and it filled, and I had a terrible fill, and I had to get out really quick, and I then actually lost like $80 on that particular trade. So between that and then like a stupid Beyond trade, Beyond was getting some momentum today, and I tried taking this 81 break, and it just kind of didn't fail, but it was in too early, and by getting in too early, it flushed down, and of course I lost on that. So by the end of the day, CCIV was the trade of the day for most people. I tried getting into the 37 level. I really like the 36 level here. You can see the 36 level right here. And it definitely required some move against you, because you can see here it got down to like 35.60, and then it ripped up. Tried 37, and basically I got whipped down a couple times and ended up losing. So at the end of the day with only $56, not the best day. It was a green day, so it was three or four green days in a row based on like last week. Didn't get close to where I lost last week, but I'm doing better, and that's okay. I'm talking to the right people. This channel, I've been doing this almost a year now, not a year, but close to it. And there's been some random people that have come and gone, and there's definitely some great contributors to the channel. And whether it's about trading, tech, news, strategies, emotions, psychology. There's a lot of you guys out there. I think that's the whole point of this channel, is to just kind of help each other out. I'm definitely getting a lot of help, and I hope I'm helping you guys a little bit. I plan on doing some more Tradestation videos as I learn the platform. I heard about SNDL yesterday. I didn't even realize what they were going through, and you guys mentioned it. And I just found out one of the big traders on the channel was stuck in a trade because of it. And he's in a situation that he now needs to deal with Tradestation because of that whole messaging about SNDL and how many shares you can trade and whatnot. I mean, it's only a $3 stock or whatever it was yesterday. Of course, now it's probably in a $0 stock, but you know what I mean? It's just like knowing that there's other people that are facing the same music as you and you're going through the same motions. It helps. It really does. I had a buddy today. He was doing really well and I was doing poorly. And then today he just made a mistake and held too long and didn't sell fast enough like we usually do. And, he's feeling it. And I just kind of spoke to him. I said, hey, there's a lot of people out there going through the same stuff. Just got to get back on the saddle, focus on what you know, because he's actually really good and he knows what he's doing. His execution is like mine. It's not as strong. He has conviction, but he's a little bit more hesitant, and his account's not as big, so he goes through the same motions. Losing a few bucks is something important to him versus losing, like, let's say $1,000. If he loses under $50, he's all upset. He's not, obviously he's not trading 1,000 shares and hoping not to lose $10, but he's a small share trader. But I'm just saying, he goes through the motions like me. So we kind of been talking a lot. And then I've been talking to someone that's the opposite end. He's a high-end trader, big-time trader, and he's just amazing, and he's just emotionally sound, and he's helping me with my confidence. And I'm getting more confident every day. Yeah, I might sound sometimes down, but I think I am going through that process of learning what I need to go through each day. This is a lonely process of trading. It's super cool. It's super exciting. I'm really excited I'm doing it. Yes, I'm not making a ton of money at it yet, but I'm not losing a ton of money. Of course, the market's been a little bit easier this year. It's been tough this past month, but you can buy stuff and it works, versus in the past, maybe it didn't work as well, so to speak. Now you're seeing moves, like so much more volume. Of course, what that causes is new problems. We have broker issues, stuck trades, platform issues, pump and dumps out of the wazoo. And, I'm just trying to focus on myself and then bringing out what I know to you guys, trying to help anyone that needs some kind of lift, in their trading. I got the new PC going. The thing is awesome. It's been great so far. I had a couple hiccups. I got this new Stream Deck thing, which is the link below. You can check that out. And it's really neat. I'll do that video soon. And if you have any other questions, let me know. We'll continue trading all next week and into the future. Hopefully everything keeps going. Maybe the stimulus gets the market going in a crazy direction. We made new highs today. The SPY made new highs today. So what's next? What's on the horizon, So it's doing the opposite of what we've been expecting. Come together and help each other out. And I really appreciate all the help. I really do. It's Friday. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment in the video. And I will be back this weekend. Check it out. Do my PC video. And then I'll be back on Tuesday for the new trading video. So have a good night. Have a good weekend. Talk to you soon.